But the thing that I want to say is this. When you do something like that, you still got to understand, you said you. You said you. So you're letting me know that you already got that programmed in your mind. This is what it is. This is what it is. This is where it can go to the next level, this level, that level. But in some cases, if I slip up, I make a mistake, then therefore everything stops and it stands still. Now, I didn't do it intentionally, and then there are some men that do things intentionally because that's who they are. That's what they want to be. So I can't cover every man. Only thing I can do is just be honest. Sometimes you make a mistake in a relationship. It's not for you to keep talking about it, going over and over and over again. I mean, I want to be in this relationship, yes, if we got a clear understanding. Because if anything happens, or you make a mistake or I make a mistake, can't we just move past it and keep it going? And
we can.
You say we can. Can we? Can we?
20 years later, you still be hearing about it.
Can we? Can we? Can we?
Yes.
All of us in here, I'm going to say it this way. All of us in here not only believe in love, but we believe in being in love. But the mindset of a person is the part we cannot control. So you can think like you think, I can think like I think. But don't try to change my mindset. Let me change my mindset. And how I change my mindset is, let me fall deeper in love with you. Not just be in love with you. Let me fall deeper. Now, you show me something that makes me say, you know what, I want to correct myself. That's what's going to help me. But what's not going to help me is for you to try to correct me.
That's the problem we're having with men and women, because we don't allow each other to be ourselves. You want to change me, and I want to change you. And so,
well, you know what? But I'm going to tell you something on that. Now, me personally, I don't really think any man want to change a woman. And I don't think any woman, should actually believe that. And I don't think any women should try to change a man. Simply because of the fact that, we just met. Just love me for who I am. I like me for who I am. Why it always got to be about change? Why do you meet somebody and the first thing y'all think about is, we should be able to change each other. We should be able to talk to each other. We should be able to, why it always got to bring change in the picture?
We're looking for perfection. I'm being general when
I mean, I got you. I got it. But see, you're looking for, well, in general, women are looking for perfection.